My name is Chris Compton, and we are at the Wood Whittlers. I was informed by the city that I had the oldest business license in the city of Gatlinburg, and it is 75 years this year. My father started the business. He was an artist, one of the best. He opened up in a one-room log cabin on Roaring Fork Creek. And later in years, he moved out here and built this in 1968. We've been here at this location ever since. I don't have any computerized equipment. Everything we do is just by hand. Exactly like it was back in 1940s when Dad started. You would think someone that's done that for this many years, a piece of wood wouldn't fascinate them, but I'm just absolutely in awe at some of the woods that you see today. These burls that I'm working on, making tables out of, they're very rare and extremely beautiful. You see that piece of wood right there? I don't know if you can see it or not. You see it? I've been studying that now for about 6 months. And I don't know yet what I'm going to do with it, but whatever I do, I don't know yet. I haven't seen it yet. Usually I see it before I see it, but in this one I haven't seen it yet. So I'll see it someday. It'll come. When you look at my vases, I got my inspiration from, believe it or not, a sailboat. The sails were curved and billowing, and it was so graceful and so peaceful. And so I've tried to incorporate that into my work now. People ask me all the time, where do you come up with these ideas? How do you come up with all this? And I tell them, I say, well, you got to be a little crazy because normal people can't do this. So they look at me and kind of laugh, and I kind of laugh with them. And so, yeah, you got to be a little crazy. I enjoy what I do. If I didn't, I wouldn't do it. We love the mountains. We love Gatlinburg. It's my home. It's where I was raised. It's where I'm from. It's my roots. My family before me. My heritage. Strong feelings about Gatlinburg. Shoot, I wouldn't live anywhere else.